before we get started, they haven't even opened yet. I still have 25 minutes. But there's a list that I'll put in the description from First We Feast. The list was made by a gentleman I talked about a few videos now, George Motes. Every state has their own regional burger, and this Eastside Big Tom's is the Washington's regional burger. I've actually forgotten that they have a sauce, which we're going to be trying, well, I'm going to be trying, called Goop. And I guess it's even registered trademark. I don't know if it's the name or the sauce that's registered, but I tried looking up the video, because I did see a video, but it was pulled. I believe it's sour cream, mayo, and mustard mixed together, but I don't know for sure. I'll be interested to try it because, you know, I like the Red Mill sauce so much. So now I'm just waiting for them to open so I can get myself a burger. They have a drive up. I'm assuming I could drive up there, but I don't know. I'm assuming I can walk up and order, but let's I'll quit rambling and I'll wait for them to open. I'll go get it. Alright, so I'm actually here before they open, which is a rarity because I actually get to record the menu. So get the Big Tom, Little Tom, regular burger, regular cheese, deluxe burger, deluxe cheese, bacon burger, which is what I'm going for, which has Goop on it, which is a registered trademark. I think that's what it's called. Double regular burger, double deluxe burger, Jim Dandy. Get a chicken sandwich, fish witch. Haha, made one of those. Foot-long hot dog. Interesting they have a hot dog. You know, I don't usually see those. Corn dog, French fries, dipping sauces. Because I'm gonna have to get Goop. And they got your sodas, Pepsi products, and they have milkshakes. Milkshake sounds really good. Ooh, peanut butter. Thought I would share real quick. This is a lot of decorations. And they have a lot of dinosaurs too. In this yard here, we've got like a whole bunch of dinosaurs. And another menu. Plenty of menus, but they have like plastic dinosaurs, stegosaurus. There's a velociraptor behind that tree. I can't go in there because it's closed. Triceratops. I don't know what the big fascination with dinosaurs is. It's kind of cool. We got the, oh, I can't remember the name of this one. That's another velociraptor. And then I got this one. I think that one there is a Dilophosaurus from watching Jurassic Park. I don't remember the names of the little ones. No, they got a vehicle. Jurassic Park. Okay. Well, I'll certainly give them points for style. And they got, this is what caught my eye originally. They got the Brontosaurus. Pause in the picture. More dinosaurs. I'm assuming they're all plastic. Hard plastic, something like that. You got the mystery machine sitting here. That's just, I don't know, that's just cool. Alrighty, got my food. So here's their famous goop sauce, which we'll check out here. Now, this place automatically gets high points for me, and I'll show you why here in a moment. I gotta get all the salt out. But they have crinkle cut fries, my favorite. The food is quick too, really fast. It was me and two other ladies who pulled up, but they weren't ready, but I was. So they took my order first. Now here's the burger, but I'm gonna try this goop sauce real fast. Alright. Give this a taste. I will say, it does taste really good. I don't know if it's good as Red Mill though. My apologies, Tom. It's a tasty sauce, I'll tell you that. Alright, I almost can't put it down. Hot. Alright. I got mine without lettuce and onion. But I didn't know if they shredded their lettuce or not. So, here's the burger. So, pickle, tomato, goop sauce, cheese, That is a tasty burger. Close up of the burger. Got the tomato, pickle, cheese, patty, goop sauce. It's quite tasty too. So here's a close up of the goop. Of course, my favorite fry. It could just be post-hike hunger, but this is firing in all cylinders. That's good. All right, I forgot to mention. I also splurged a little. And I got a peanut butter shake. So. Oh man. The sweet peanut butter and the ice cream with the combined with the salty fries and burger. Good combo. There you go. Pretty not a huge menu, which I appreciate. I didn't try to stuff too much stuff on, which I don't know why places do that, trying to make everybody happy. Yeah, highly recommend if you're in Olympia, in our state's capital, which is where I am. I was almost tempted to drive by the Capitol building, but I don't think I can keep my language in check. Like, bastards, bruh. So, alright, well, thanks for watching, and if you got any questions, comments, put them down below, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.